Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about scope. You will ask what's a scope? I will answer to you that there are two types of scope. One is local and one is global. Or you can say inside and outside scope. So let me show you an example of an inside scope or local. First, let me explain you what is inside scope. Inside scope, it is when we have something inside of a function, and we when only define the function to start, it only starts. But outside scope, it's like we write not inside of a function, we just write print something, and it's going to print without us defining it. So for example of an inside scope, local function scope, then we write here print scope 1. Now if we run it, nothing is going to happen because it's inside scope. Nothing is printed here because we didn't define it to print. So now let's define it. So now let's run and see what will appear here. So as you see, scope 1 is written here. It is written here because we have defined it to start. Now let's erase it and write print scope 2. So as you see, I didn't define it, I just wrote it and it is not inside of a function. And now I run it. So as you see, only scope 2 prints, not scope 1, because I didn't define scope 1 to print. But here I also didn't define scope 2 to print. So this is the difference between outside scope and inside scope. So this was all for now, my friends. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.